We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 1. Triangle HJK is graphed on the coordinate grid. Triangle HJK will be transformed using the rule xy to negative xy to create triangle HJK. Which graph represents triangle HJK? X-coordinate is the opposite of the original value, but y-coordinate is the same, so A is the correct answer. Question number 2. The diagram shows a right triangle and the lengths of 2 of its sides in inches. Which measurement is closest to the value of D in inches? Using the Pythagorean theorem, in a right triangle, the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. A square plus B square equals C square, or C equals square root of a square plus B square, which is equal to square root of 11.9 square plus 7.9 square equals square root of 204.02. It's approximately 14.3 inches. H is the correct answer. Question number 3. The perimeter of the triangle shown is 17x units. The dimensions of the triangle are given in units. Which equation can be used to find the value of x? The perimeter of the triangle equals the sum of all sides, hence equals 15 plus 7x equals 17x. Hence, 17x equals 30 plus 7x. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Question number 4. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the weight in pounds and the age in weeks of a certain dog breed. Based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the weight in pounds of a dog that is 28 weeks old? It's 75 pounds for 28 weeks. Therefore, G is the correct answer. Is the